Hey everyone, Scout Flip and Customize. Welcome to the channel. Today it's not a how-to video. It's not a show and well, it is a show and tell actually. I'm going to show you a metal art project or furniture that we just finished for a customer. So we can't air this video until we show the customer. But it was a special order engine block table that we did with an LS platform engine that had been sent too hard from our buddies over at Dedrick's Auto. So I'll show you that as well. So I'm going to take you around the table, kind of show you what we did, how we did it, and a few little tidbits about it. And I'll have to show you some photos as well of the process of making it because I didn't record it, but that's okay. Check this out. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the overview of the table. This is actually a 36-inch square, beveled edge, tempered glass, half-inch thick top. Ruggeder than we normally would do, but it was just right for this engine. The block itself is an aluminum block LS platform block that was blown up. It was actually this cylinder and the opposing cylinder as well. They ran it with a bad rod bearing to the point where the rod came through the block, which we actually will highlight right there. And we accentuated it with a little bit of silver on there to keep that carnage look, which is killer. The block was all bead blasted. And then we painted it with, the block itself has been painted and clear coated. And then the top machine surface was remachined. Well, I say machined, but sanded down. And then clear coated. The whole block was clear coated. The pistons itself are actually 400 small block pistons. They came out of a different engine, but they were just right for this. They were a nice looking piston. They weren't that old. We went ahead and blasted these up as well. And then we powder coated them with chroma chrome from Columbia Coatings and clear coated those. As you can see, it's standing on the rods as well. And everything's with stainless 5/16 hardware that we drilled and tapped into the heads and into the block in order to make this all fit. Again, everything was glossed over in black. Machine surfaces, as you can see. It came out sick. Absolutely love it. And we're getting to the absolute best part here in just a minute. Like, we accentuated a few little things on it, like the GM, and of course we have to initial it, flip and customize. But underneath here, we've actually had a special plate cut out for the bottom that we've also chromed from our buddy over at Main Off-Road Enterprise on their plasma table. So that was cool. We went ahead and mounted, so here's the trick. We mounted some LED pod lights. Let me show you this. All right, so these LED lights are remote controlled, and you go ahead and turn them on. They are all synced together as well. So when you turn them on, I have them on flash mode right now. You can have them on solid color. You can have them on strobe. You can have them on anything you want. And with the lights partially out, I mean, the table is absolutely sick. This is going to be going in a man cave or a billiard room for a customer of ours. So it is, I mean, it's freaking rad. It really came out awesome. We're super happy about it. Again, LED lights. They're all remote controlled. They have like a 48-hour battery, and the batteries are replaceable on them. And actually, they're not super hard to get to, so you can get in there and replace them if you wanted to. But that's the overview of the table itself. Again, aluminum block, it's still heavy. Half-inch thick, 36-inch glass on this thing. 2 coats of base, primer, 2 coats of base, 2 coats of clear. Powder-coated pistons, remachined the top. Custom plate made, accentuate the carnage. Of course, we sign it. So this baby is actually already sold per request of the customer. And I think they're going to be happy. I know we're happy with it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. Make sure you follow our next or our other builds, such as our metric bobber over there, Project Bob and Weave. Hey, we've got Project Freight Train, the Cummins diesel build going on. We've got a lot going on, as well as the S10 LS swap that we're just about ready to put in the frame over there. So thanks for watching. Thanks for finding the channel. Scott with Flip and Customize. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.